Welcome again. This is Albert with Language Tricks by me, of course. And basically, I want it to be more of a forum for you asking me questions. Any questions you have regarding foreign languages and learning a foreign language, I'll answer you here. Get my details on the comments. Put your questions on the comments. As you can see here in front of me is a fan. So learning a foreign language will be very important to you in so many aspects. So there are so many questions that can be asked about a foreign language. A foreign language is basically a language you are new to. And one of the questions I will answer today will regard why you should learn a foreign language. And of course, another one, a second question, how fast can one learn a foreign language? In the course of teaching, I've been teaching French as a foreign language, and so many students have different questions concerning why should they learn, how fast they can learn. If you look at the picture in front of you here, this is in English, we call this a fan. In French, we call it un ventilateur. In Spanish, un ventilador. In Kiswahili, pepeo. In Portuguese, un ventilador. In German, der Ventilator. And of course, in Arabic, you should try and tell me. So let me answer the first question that we have here. Feel free to write down your questions. You can text me on my email address right there in the comments, and we will talk further about what you want addressed. And in my next videos, I will try my best to be able to answer those questions that people normally have, because some think they'll take a very long time to learn a language. Some think they are too old to learn a new language. But interest is key. So going straight to the first question, why should I learn a foreign language? The world is becoming a very small place indeed. We are in a global village. Many multinationals are camping in French-speaking countries, in English-speaking countries. Different Germans are coming up with their economy. The Portuguese are there. The Spanish have taken up the entertainment world. So in a way or another, you'll always need a foreign language. You might be a lawyer, a teacher. You'll be able to get clients from who speak different languages. So it will force you to learn a different language, one foreign to you. In your career, you will meet people from different backgrounds and languages. So you will really need a foreign language so that you will be able to understand each other better. It will boost your business. It will boost your career in whatever profession you are in. It will really help you to be able to communicate with others, to be able to trade, to be able to understand contracts and deals. So basically, a foreign language is an asset to anybody who wants to be able to develop their career and their work ethics and their professions. It will be an added advantage over others to be employed in the same position. Then basically it is also something interesting. You'll be able to understand different cultures, how they reason, what is important to them, and basically their language will be able to communicate all that. Then that is a brief answer to that issue there. Then we have like the second question, how fast can one learn a foreign language? How fast will depend on your speed. You can learn in 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, depending on how much need is there for you to learn the foreign language. So of course, the more time you spend, the more confidence you have, the more practice you put will determine how fast you learn it. So languages have rules, grammatical rules. Those are the things you'll be able to 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 consider when you're learning. Get a teacher, face-to-face learning, online teaching. You can use the online apps, but if you want to learn faster, go for a teacher or go for an